Have you ever wondered what makes a great trader? What truly sets apart the consistent winners from the crowd? In a world saturated with images of fast money, luxury lifestyles, and the promise of financial freedom, it's easy to get lost in the mythology of the market. We see the Hollywood version, the genius who cracks the code, the maverick who bets it all on a hunch and wins big. This romanticized image fuels a dangerous quest for a silver bullet. Many begin their journey searching for a magic signal, a flawless indicator that will flash green for buy and red for sell, eliminating all guesswork. They spend countless hours and thousands of dollars on complex systems and self-proclaimed gurus who promise a 99% win rate. But the market is not a simple equation to be solved. It's a dynamic, chaotic ecosystem of human psychology, global events, and economic forces. Relying on a single signal is like trying to navigate a hurricane with only a weather vane. It might point you in the right direction for a moment, but it can't see the entire storm. The truth is, no single indicator can ever capture the market's infinite complexity. Others fall into a different trap, the belief that they can predict the future. They chase a crystal ball, trying to perfectly forecast earnings reports, Federal Reserve announcements, or geopolitical shifts. They scour news headlines, desperate for a clue that will give them an edge just moments before the rest of the world catches on. But this is a fool's errand. The market is famous for its ability to humble even the most brilliant analysts. Unforeseen events, the so-called black swans, can appear without warning, rendering all predictions useless. The pursuit of certainty in a field defined by probability is a direct path to frustration and financial ruin. So if it's not a magic signal or a crystal ball, what is it? This is where the path diverges. On one side, you have the 90% of aspiring traders who fail. They ride an emotional roller coaster, feeling euphoric after a lucky win and utterly devastated by a loss. They revenge trade, double down on losing positions, and ultimately blow up their accounts, blaming the market, their broker, or a guru for their failure. They were searching for a shortcut that doesn't exist. On the other side, you have the consistent, profitable trader. And the real secret, the one thing that truly separates them from the rest, is something much less glamorous, much less exciting, and far more powerful. It is unwavering, ironclad discipline. It's the commitment to a process. It's treating trading not as a lottery ticket, but as a serious business. This discipline manifests in a concrete, structured approach. The successful trader has a written trading plan with predefined rules for entry, exit, and risk management. They know exactly how much of their capital they are willing to risk on any single trade, often a tiny fraction like 1%, before they even click the mouse. They use stop losses not as a sign of weakness, but as a non-negotiable business expense that protects their capital from catastrophic loss. They meticulously journal every trade, reviewing their wins and, more importantly, their losses, to learn and refine their strategy. They understand that they don't need to be right every time. They just need to ensure their winning trades are bigger than their losing trades over the long run. This isn't about suppressing emotion, it's about preventing emotion from making financial decisions. It's a profound mindset shift from hunting for the one perfect trade to executing a solid process hundreds of times. The victory isn't found in the thrill of a single jackpot, but in the quiet satisfaction of consistent execution. This discipline is the bedrock of longevity in the markets. It's the boring, repetitive, and essential foundation upon which all lasting trading success is built.